The DJI Pocket 4, rumored to succeed the beloved Pocket 3, isn't just an upgrade. It's shaping up to redefine compact gimbal cameras. Designed for vloggers, travelers, and mobile filmmakers, the Pocket 4 is said to pack drone-level imaging power into a pocket-sized frame. Dual-lens revolution. The biggest headline is the dual-lens system, a first for the Pocket lineup. The main sensor reportedly retains the 1-inch CMOS design, but with optimized 12 megapixel performance for cleaner low-light results and richer dynamic range. The second lens could either be a telephoto, for optical zoom, or an ultra-wide for immersive landscapes, eliminating the need for attachable accessories and unlocking seamless multifocal shooting. Hasselblad Color Science DJI might again partner with Hasselblad, integrating its natural color solution for lifelike tones and cinematic color depth. Expect 10-bit D-Log-M and possibly a D-Log Pro profile for professionals who want full grading flexibility. Cinematic power rumors point toward 8K 30fps video, allowing creators to crop and stabilize 4K footage with zero loss in detail. Combine that with 4K at 120fps or even 4K at 140fps, and the Pocket 4 could become the ultimate slow-motion storyteller. To process all this, DJI is expected to include a new high-performance processor with AI-driven enhancements for stabilization, autofocus, and low-light optimization. ActiveTrack 7.0 and Infinity Gimbal. The ActiveTrack 7.0 system is rumored to leverage AI and depth data for smarter tracking, even when subjects move behind obstacles. An Infinity Gimbal concept could offer near 360-degree rotation, expanding creative freedom for time lapses and cinematic motion shots. With horizon steady, footage should remain perfectly level, no matter the camera's movement. Smarter design, better usability. The Pocket 4 is said to feature a 2.5-inch rotatable OLED screen with 800+ nits brightness, making outdoor shooting effortless. An IP67 weather-resistant body, upgraded cooling, and extended 4-hour battery life make it even more travel-friendly. Expect dual DJI Mic 2 support, improved onboard mics, and massive storage upgrades, including 1TB microSD support and faster Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. The revamped DJI Mimo app could add AI tools like smart highlight editing and music syncing for instant mobile workflows. Expected price: $599, $699 release window. Late 2025 to early 2026 DJI Action 6. The data-driven adventure camera, if the Pocket 4 targets cinematic creators. The DJI Osmo Action 6 aims squarely at athletes and adventurers. This next-gen action cam promises 8K video, smartwatch integration, and rugged endurance. An entirely new era of intelligent action capture. Smartwatch integration. The standout rumor? Full smartwatch control. The Action 6 may connect with Apple Watch and Garmin devices, allowing users to start, stop recording, and switch modes hands-free. Even more impressive are the data overlays. Speed, heart rate, distance, and altitude, automatically synced from the watch to your video. Garmin users might even unlock exclusive metrics like cadence, pace, and dive data, turning each clip into a detailed performance record. Rugged 8K imaging, the Action 6 could feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering up to 8K at 30fps, 5.3K at 60fps, and 4K at 120fps with 10-bit D-Log-M color depth. Expect rock-steady 4.0 and horizon-steady stabilization, ensuring buttery-smooth footage in any environment. Built for extremes. The camera is rumored to be waterproof up to 20 milliliters without a case, featuring an enhanced cooling system and a 1,150 mAh battery for over 4 hours of 4K shooting. Internal storage may jump to 64 GB, complemented by microSD expansion. Design and performance: a familiar dual-screen layout makes a return, optimized for vlogging and framing flexibility. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, creators can expect rapid file transfers and rock-solid connectivity in the wild. Expected price: $329, $429. $579 launch window: August-October 2025. The future of compact creation. DJI's 2025-2026 lineup shows a bold dual strategy. DJI Pocket 4, the ultimate cinematic tool, focused on professional visuals, AI tracking, and creative freedom. DJI Action 6, the ultimate adventure camera, built for athletes, outdoor vloggers, and data-rich storytelling. Both share DJI's core technologies: 1-inch sensors, 10-bit color, and AI stabilization, but cater to completely different styles of content. Whether you're shooting cinematic B-roll on a mountain trail or editing vlogs from your phone, these devices promise to redefine what portable filmmaking can achieve. The DJI Pocket 4 and DJI Action 6 aren't just updates, they're a statement. DJI is setting the stage for a new standard in compact, connected, and intelligent video gear for creators everywhere.